Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. Just like your Android devices, if you want to display this network speed information below the status bar on your iOS devices, this video is for you. As you can see, if I open Safari and try to browse to a website, you can see it displays the real-time speed up above below the status bar. For this tutorial, you will have to be jailbroken. The method shown in this video is completely free and it should work on iOS 15, iOS 16, 17, 18, provided your device is supported by the Burhan jailbreak or any other rootless jailbreak. I have an iPhone 8 Plus which is jailbroken rootless on iOS 16.7.12. Simply open Celio and then head to sources and make sure you have the ElleKit.space repo added. From this repo, go to all categories and first of all install ElleKit. Do a user space reboot. Open Celio again. Head to sources. Make sure you also have the havac.app repo added to Celio. Simply open it. Go to all categories and search for TrollSpeed JB. Alright. Simply hit it. You can see it is completely free. Hit on get queue and confirm to install this package. Done. When you get back in, you will see it on your home screen. Simply open it and then hit open HUD. You will see it up above. You can change the placement to right, center or left. You can also check out settings. You have option for pass through, keep in place, incoming only. You can change the appearance, change the size, you can change the prefixes, and you can also change the units to bytes or bits. Once you're satisfied with the settings, you can also quit it completely and it will keep running up above without issues. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, you can always ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.